friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the recent update which I received in the Realme X2 Pro device, friends. And I'm going to talk about the update. And if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And do check the links in description also for the playlist of Realme X2 Pro device. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can check the links in description for my Instagram profile, where you can follow my profile and you can ask the queries in the Instagram, friends. So in this way, I can stay connected with everyone, no matter what phone I'm using. So only problem with the WhatsApp is that I cannot use the WhatsApp in multiple phones, so that's why I needed to have some kind of platform where I can switch between the phones without any worry. So let me open, friends. So this is the Realme X2 Pro device, and recently after the Realme UI update there are minor bugs, so there's a battery drain issue. But with the update, let's check whether this got solved or not. So the update version is called, as you can see, friends, 11 C.24. So let me click the recommendations, and here you can find what are the features it got updated. So there's security patch and updated charging animation. So later I'll be doing a separate video on that, friends. Even in the camera it got deleted pics also appear. So there are some bugs has been fixed. So let me so if you take a look at the what are the bugs got fixed, as you can see, friends. So fixed the display of calendar and clock, so do not match in the system, and there is something about that, and optimized occasional lagging problem during the games. And I didn't feel any lag because I did not play long time games, friends, in the Realme X2 Pro. So maybe few of the users must have faced this kind of problem. And fixed launcher crashes. So there is sometimes launcher problem, friends. That is what I noticed. So next is that occasional app crash. So that did not occur to me anytime. And next is a fixed reply messages to the floating windows, no, and game 4D vibration feedback disappear. I think there won't be any game 4D vibration, friends. So it makes sense because even though there's an option for the 4D vibration, but still none of the games actually do support the 4D vibration at the moment. And this is the overall, friends, the features related to the update of new Realme UI 11 C.24, and I'll be updating about the battery life, friends, definitely in the Realme X2 Pro. In the future I'll be doing the PUBG battery drain test, so where few of the users are asking me to do. I'm very much waiting for the weekend to get some time making this kind of long videos, friends. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and do support me. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.